In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send group emails in Pipedrive. If you're reaching out to several people at once, Pipedrive makes it simple to compose one message and deliver it individually to each contact. We'll move from selecting the right people to opening the group email window, polishing your message, and sending it with confidence. Start in your Pipedrive account and look to the left-hand panel. Click Contacts to open your list of people. This puts you in a clean, tabular view where you can scan names and email addresses. Take a moment to confirm that the people you plan to reach have valid email fields visible. This helps you avoid errors later. Next, choose your recipients by clicking the checkbox beside each name. You can select a few strategic contacts, or many at once. If you change your mind, simply uncheck a box to remove someone. Keep an eye on your selection counter so you know exactly how many messages you're about to send. With your recipients selected, click Send Group Email. Pipedrive opens a composer that targets each selected person separately, so replies come back to you one-to-one rather than as a noisy reply all. You'll see the total recipient count, and you can still adjust your selection from here if needed. Now edit your message. Add a clear, specific subject line, and write a concise body that explains the purpose of your outreach and the action you'd like the reader to take. Keep paragraphs short and skimmable. If your account supports personalization, insert fields like first name to make each email feel tailored. Double-check links, dates, and any time-sensitive details. A quick proofread for tone and typos goes a long way, and it's smart to remove any heavy images or large attachments that could trigger spam filters. When everything looks good, click Send Messages. Pipedrive queues an individual email for each selected contact and tracks the activity on their timelines. Give it a moment to process if your list is large. After sending, you can continue your day while the system delivers in the background, and you'll be notified of replies as they arrive. That's it. You've selected contacts, opened the group email tool, edited a clear, personalized message, and sent it to your chosen recipients with just a few clicks. For peace of mind, you can always send a quick test to yourself before reaching a larger list. And as a best practice, contact only people who expect to hear from you and honor any opt-out preferences. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.